I'll be taking you through the next couple minutes. We're going to look at three key things to start our trading week. First and foremost, the U.S. equity futures, the E-minis, the NASDAQ, were down pre-market. A lot of people woke up and saying, why are they down pre-market? Well, look at the foreign markets. That's why our futures pre-market were lower to start the day, in my opinion. Why? The Nikkei. Nikkei was down 1.89% overnight because, frankly, there was hawkish talks about another possibility of a rate hike coming out of Japan. That sent the Nikkei lower. Also, the DAX was down about 1.5%. I think it's down about 1% now. The Airbus is traded on the DAX. That was down about 6% pre-market. That was weighing on that. Those markets weighed on our futures overnight. Now, that doesn't mean that once our markets open, that we're either going to go down with them or shake it off. The news flow during the day will determine that. Bitcoin is still problematic, but that necessarily shouldn't correlate to stocks going lower. I think what should correlate to a good December and stocks going forward is story number 2 today, and that is that December 1st marked the end of quantitative tightening. Now, in the past, when they were quantitative tightening, the Fed would let assets mature and not repurchase the securities. Now, as of February 1st, they're letting the assets that mature and they're buying treasury bills with the proceeds. Therefore, they are buying notes and treasuries and then therefore keeping interest rates at low rates. The Fed balance sheet likely to remain stable going forward. And the final choice, President Trump, it looks like, has made a choice for his Fed chair. He's not going to release it yet. But I think it's as simple as this. If he chooses 2 names, both Kevins, Kevin Hassett, the Director of National Economic Council for the United States, or Kevin Warsh, a Fed governor from 2006 to 2011, the markets will view both those choices as very positive, both for lower interest rates and for the economy in general.